Understanding the Final Days, a guide for English learners. Hello, everyone. Welcome to our English language learning series. Today, we're going to explore the meaning and usage of the phrase, the final days. This phrase can be quite powerful and is used in various contexts. Let's dive in to understand it better. The final days refers to the last period or phase of a particular time. This could be the end of an era, the concluding days of a person's life, or the last moments of an event. It carries a sense of imminence and conclusion, often filled with emotions like anticipation, nostalgia, or urgency. 1. Historical context. In history, the final days might refer to the last days of a significant historical period, like the fall of an empire or the end of a war. 2. Personal context. In personal stories, it could describe the last days of a person's life or the end of a significant chapter in someone's journey. 3. Event context. For events, it could mean the last days of a festival, a season, or a special event. 1. Historical. The book detailed the final days of the Roman Empire. 2. Personal. She spent her final days surrounded by family and friends. 3. Event. As the final days of the carnival approached, the excitement was palpable. Last moments. End times. Closing period. Twilight hours. Waning days. Understanding these synonyms can help in comprehending similar phrases in different texts or conversations. Thank you for joining us in this exploration of the final days. We hope this video has given you a clearer understanding of this phrase and its various uses. Remember, language is a window into culture and history, and each phrase enriches your understanding of the English language. Happy learning!